When we compare fractions, we want to figure out if a half is bigger than, smaller than, or equal to 3/4. So when we compare fractions, the denominators have to be equal to each other. So we can find the lowest common denominator. So we can either rewrite a half or rewrite 3/4. And the easiest denominator to change is to change the half. So what I can do is change the denominator to 4 by multiplying it by 2. And in fractions, what I apply in the denominator, I will apply in the numerator. So 1/2 is equals to 2/4. And when I compare 2/4 with 3/4, I can see in the numerator that 3/4 are more than 2/4. And that means that a half is smaller than 3/4.